Hi everyone, my name is Jong Woo, Construction Management Department Head at Cal Poly. On behalf of the CM students, faculty, and staff, I want to thank you for joining the Cal Poly CM Career Fair this year. I want to introduce our CCCE staff who are really working hard to make this virtual career fair as a fantastic experience for everybody. First, Scott Kelting, CCCE Director, and Rochelle Smith, CCCE Program Manager. And we have two student CCCE Ambassador, Jackson and Matt, who will go over a few important things about how to use Microsoft Teams for the Cal Poly CM Career Fair. In the past, we enjoyed exciting personal connections and alumni networking and passionate interviews on career fair days. But this year is certainly different from the year past. While we want to be able to join in person, but CM department is committed to providing you with the best possible job searching and networking experience safely and responsibly this fall. Among other things, we differentiate our career fair by providing a virtual collaboration hub rather than one-time, one-day networking event. All of the career fair booth sessions will be held in Microsoft Teams. You will connect with our students in many different ways for longer term. We create this video to tell you how to use Microsoft Teams for the Cal Poly CM Career Fair. Our student ambassadors, Jackson and Matt, will go through a few important functions of Microsoft Teams in this video. Thanks again for your enthusiasm for supporting for the future of the construction industry. Hope to see you in a couple of weeks. Enjoy this video.
Hello, my name is Matt. I'm a fourth-year CM student and I'm a CCC ambassador, and I will walk you through how to accept an invite to your meeting. Let me take a second to share my screen. So me and Jackson will be sending invites to your personal email to join your Teams channel. Now, what you're going to do is click Open Microsoft Teams, and it will bring you to the web app. And then you will simply enter your email. Click Sign In. And it will bring you to Heavy Civil. Now, you're going to find your company on the left side. And I'm going to click AECOM. Here you will find a link for your booth, which is what the students are going to click on to join your CM Career Fair booth, and a place for students to drop their resume or a video. So I'm going to join the booth. And click Join at the top right of your screen. And then I'm going to join now. Now here you can turn your camera on or off at the top. And you can also mute or unmute yourself and share your screen right here. If you ever want to leave the meeting, you just click Leave. And that's basically it. When you're in your meeting, you can find all of the students that are currently in your meeting by clicking on this icon on the left saying Show Participants. From here, you will see everyone that's in your meeting right here, and you can click on their icon and call them individually for a meeting if you want to have a breakout room and talk to that student. My video right now does not work because I'm using Zoom at the moment, but their video should work during your meeting.
Hey guys, I'm Jackson Thomas, and I'm a third-year CM student. I'm going to run you through a few things regarding files for your Microsoft team. So as you can see, some of you will be invited to more than one of these business sectors, and that has to do with which ones you guys signed up for. And as you can see under all of our teams for the career We have a channel for CM student clubs, which will house our CM club officers and our CM club leaders. And there'll be resources throughout the career fair to help if you guys run into any questions and be able to go in and have a chat with them too. We'll go through heavy civil and go into AECOM, and we can go to files here, which will allow you to upload particular files that you guys might have, whether it be like a sign-in sheet for the students or an application for internships and whatnot. So you'll go ahead and click upload, and you can upload a file. I'll go ahead and upload a resume right here, and it's uploading right now, and there we go. We have a file uploaded. So if you guys have any files to drop off in the files tab, you can go ahead and do that. And then we can go to the general post area. Everyone who's invited to your channel will be able to see a conversation that you created. So you can start by typing in a conversation. I'll just type in test, and people can reply to it. They can drop little emojis and attach files. So it's a great way to communicate with students if need be. And I think that'll do it.
Thank you, Jackson and Matt. Thanks for your tutorial. So as you see, using Microsoft Teams for the career fair is really straightforward and simple. I think that we will keep these channels and teams for a month so you can continue connecting with our students after the career fair day. So let's see how we can use these innovative technologies to connect you guys with the future leaders of your organization. Now, Rochelle will give a concluding comment, and then we will see you in a few weeks.
Thank you so much to all of our industry partners and our recruiters. We're so excited to have you all join us in a few weeks for this virtual career fair. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to myself, Matt, or Jackson, and we can all answer your questions. Feel free to email us at ccce@calpoly.edu, and we'll address your questions as quickly as we can. Again, we look forward to seeing you on Thursday, October 29th for the Construction Management Virtual Career Fair. Thank you.